Hi, this is Eric, and in this tutorial we're going to be going through products and services. Now, it's used mostly for people that either have stock control, so they keep track of each product and how much they've got in stock and how many they've sold and stuff like that, or if you've just simply got lots of products and services. Okay, so we go to products and services, and I'll go through all the columns on the list. First, we've got the group. Now, you can group your products and services and then do reports per group if you want. Then you've got your product code, and the product code has to be a unique number. And then next, we've got the description, the units. If you type M2, it becomes M squared or cubed. The cost price, the sell price, the GST rate for that product, or VAT rate if you're from other countries, or 10% if you're Australia. Now, the next one is the type, which is either dash, which means you haven't set it yet, or inventory, which means something that whenever you sell it, it subtracts from the amount on hand, or non-inventory, where it just leaves that on-hand number alone. So it's things that you sell, but you can't quantify exactly how much is sold, whether it's a service or not, or if it's something which is now discontinued, which you used to sell but you don't sell anymore. So that's the four different types. This is on hand, so it's how much you've got in stock now. So when you do a stock take, you compare that with what's actually there. The amount on order, now that's a manually entered field, so whenever you order stock, you can add it in there. The minimum level before you start getting warnings to say that you below the minimum level. Supplier, who the supplier is, you just select one of them. Some notes if you want. Normally that field's a bit bigger if you've got a bigger screen. And then various sales figures across the right. So sales year to date, quantity year to date, sales last year, and quantity last year. So that's all the fields, and at the moment these are all zero because none of our sample invoices use stock. But now I'm going to make an invoice which does use stock, and then you'll see how these change. Okay, so I'll jump out, create a new invoice for, let's say, Colonial Cottages, and I need to turn on the product code column. So options, turn it on, so now that's there, and I'll select that, and I'll do 3 square meters, and when you email it or print it, then it becomes outstanding, and then it actually removes it from stock. So while you're constructing the invoice, it doesn't change anything. So if I email it, send the email, and now if we go back to the products and services screen, we just sold 3 square meters at $25 each, so we've sold $75, and that's now showing up. So that's all pretty straightforward. Next, there's a import screen, so if you've got products and services on a spreadsheet, you can import it using this screen. And when you receive stock, you can type it into the screen. So for example, if I've received 3 of those, so that's the DRFMB1. Let's have a look. DRFMB1, so currently it's 6 post, and now it's 9. So that's correct. So next I want to show you how to manage products and services that are now redundant or which you don't really sell anymore. So you jump out and you go to manage inactive products and services, and you can also do that for projects and jobs. And it's added a column, and the one product that we've sold, it says last used in that year, but all the others are unused. So basically I can delete any of these products and just go delete, and they're gone. So there you go, that's products and services. Hope you enjoyed that, and see you in the next tutorial. See ya. Bye.